Recording in progress. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. In this tutorial, we're going to redraw a video game poster. More specifically, is going to be Pac-Man. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to save our design. I'm going to hit Control S. Okay, that didn't seem to take. There we go. And I'm just going to name it Pac-Man poster. All right. And then just make a note of where you're saving it. Next thing I'm going to do, by the time I would have started this, I would have, you should have gone to the Google Classroom assignment and downloaded the poster, the Pac-Man poster to your desktop, so we can then upload it to Fusion 360. So if you've done that, and you should have, we're going to go to Insert, Canvas, Insert from my computer, and I'm just going to grab that poster right here. It's going to ask to choose a face of the view cube right here. So these faces correspond with these view cubes. So this is the front face. That is what we're going to choose for future reference. This is the top and this is the right side. So we're going to click this and our image is right here. So we're going to grab it by the corner and we're going to keep sort of increasing the size until that looks good. I'm just going to hit enter to set that. And I'm going to click on the front face. So this is facing me. And now we're ready to begin. So I'm going to zoom way in. And the parts I'm going to focus on for this tutorial is the offset. So line and offset. And we're going to take care of the central image and the box right here. So I'm going to create a sketch and I'm going to choose the poster itself. I'm going to get my line tool and I like to zoom way in so I can get it as accurate as I can. And I'm just going to trace this outer contour. Okay. And when I can't see something, I'm going to grab my pan, move it over. And if it's not 100% perfect, that's okay. We just want to get it as close to perfect as possible. So if it's off a little bit, it's not a huge deal in this case. And we're going to close this shape up right here. And when it turns blue like this, we know that it's a closed shape. That's exactly what we're looking for. So what we're going to do now is we're going to utilize our offset. So that is this right here. It's also under modify right here. We're going to just grab it from here. We're going to choose, and you can see this outer contour illuminates. So we're going to choose that, and we're just going to bring it in till it matches the line beneath it. Okay, let's see if we can get it a little closer. That's fine. We're going to hit that. And then we're going to return to our offset and we're going to take it from the top line again. And we're just going to keep shrinking these down. Okay, hit that. And then let's do it one more time. All right, good enough for me. So now we're going to move on to the box. And I'm going to utilize my rectangle tool. Start, let's zoom in so we can get close to the corner. Okay, and then just make a rectangle around it. If you want to, move in lines to make it a little more exact, that's a good thing to do as well. Okay, but these lines can move and it might change it the top and bottom as well. So now that we have that, we're going to utilize our offset again. We're going to choose this, but it actually wants for us to choose all four lines. It's only selecting two of them, so I'm going to hold down Shift and I'm going to grab these other two. Okay, and now we're going to move that in. Hello. All right, let's try that again. I'm going to just cancel that and see if we can grab all the lines. There we go. All right. Okay, and right there, we're going to set that, and that's looking good. Now we're going to grab our text tool, and we can just make this, we're going to make our text box the whole inside. So if it's too big like that, we just need to find something that works a little better. Okay, so that's better. So let's try two. Let's go with that. Okay, that works for me. We're gonna make it bold. I'm going to center it. Um, and yeah, we should be able to move the text once we type it. So I'm just gonna write, I'm gonna put it all in caps and write Pac-Man. Okay. And then I'm going to set that. And we should be able to grab that and sort of just place it as close as we can. You can change the spacing between the letters in the text box, but this is good enough for me. So this is the first part right here. We've knocked that out. In the next video, we're going to try to knock out the Pac-Man and the cherries. And so for this box actually, this moved the whole box. So we need to move this back here. If this so we want to move this back. I guess you can't move the text, but let me try. Okay. No, it moves the entire box. So it's now part of the box here. So we're just going to leave it as it is. And if it's not lined up here, that's okay. No worries. So I will see you at the next video.